Hey, it's Michael with Third Gen Garage, and today I'm going to be doing a taillight installation on my 99 Mazda Miata. Archaic Lighting was nice enough to send me out a set of their smoked taillights. They are RGB. There's an app that comes with it. I'll show you guys that later, but right now what I'm going to be doing is removing this taillight and swapping out for the new one, and just giving a brief overview of that because it's really simple. Just 2 nuts and a screw and a plug. So let's get started. What you'll need for this installation is a 10mm socket or wrench and a Phillips screwdriver. That's it. It's got one screw right here. Next up is getting to the two 10mm bolts. If you have this carpet, you can take it off by removing the pop clips in specific locations. You can see them, like I have one right here. I am missing a couple. Pop that off. And there's another one right here. Pop that off. And this just comes forward. It doesn't need to come very far. So let me see. One nut in the back, one nut in the front, and then that white clip right there. That's going to be the other piece you're going to remove. And there's a grommet right in the center that you pop through, and then the tail light will come off. I do have an extra step, which is there's a resistor for my LEDs that shouldn't be there for stock lights, so that'll be just something that I have to unhook too. You shouldn't be very tight. I did over tighten ones on my other tail light, and you don't want to do that because you won't have a good time. Unhook, push through, and then unclipped. So that's unclipped. I push the rubber grommet through. Let's pull this taillight out. So I already loosened these. I'm gonna take off the nuts now. There we go. Careful not to have your taillight fall out. So yours won't look like this completely because I have extra pieces, but like this, you won't have that. But you just pull the harness out through here, and then the whole thing will come out, and you can start the install process. Out with the old. I'll give this a real quick wipe down while I'm here. All right, now to get these lights open. Let's see what we got. So here's what we got. A little bit of instructions. Let's get these open. This will be the driver's side. Moment of truth. So I'm gonna leave this on until they're actually fully installed, and then I'll pull it off for the most part. Make sure it's not wrapped around. Yeah, these do say they're DOT approved. That's what I read on their website, and should be plenty bright, way brighter than what I had. This should be to disable or enable the startup animation. Right now this is enabled. If you unplug it, it disables it. I'm gonna leave it enabled for now. I'll decide later if I want to keep it. Let's get this installed. Really simple installation. Feed this through. Pop the grommet in. So the grommet fits perfectly in there, and you're just going to align those 2 shafts into the holes. Now let's get it mounted up. Watch out for that plastic. That's a pretty tight fit. But it's on there. It's on there. Put that first screw in there. Put the top screw in first, and that will hold it in place. Tighten that all the way down later. Then put your nuts back on. Alright, we're just going to tighten them down a little bit. Nothing too crazy. That one's a little more crazy. Alright, last thing is to plug in your connector. And the push down goes towards the car body, so it's a little tight. But there we are. Alright, all plugged in, nuts are on. Now the moment of truth. Let's peel this off. There we go. That is a fresh set of taillights. Well, at least one fresh taillight. I'm excited to see these on, so let's turn these on real quick. There we go. All right, here's the brake. Turn signal. They do change. So in the app, you could change it to whatever color you want. If you brake, it turns red. If you do have it on a color other than red while it's on, like it is now, it will change to red when you brake and then go back to whatever color you have set when you're not braking. For right now, I gotta get this other one installed, and then I'll go over the app in a little bit later. And there we are, the finished results.